Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. These are my absolute favorite headphones of all time. They are the Venue by Skullcandy. These things are no joke. They are so comfortable. They are Bluetooth capable. They have active noise canceling that you can turn on and off. I wear them while I work. So I listen to audiobooks or music. I wear them for literally anywhere from 3 to 6 hours at a time. And they are so comfortable. The charge lasts forever. I can go days and days without having to charge these, which is great because I can just leave them in my car with my work stuff until I go on my next job and they're still charged the following day. They have a really great hard case for traveling. So if you're going to be throwing them in a carry-on or your backpack, you don't have to worry about them getting damaged because the case is really sturdy. It comes with a really long charging cable and also comes with a headphone jack if you have a device that isn't Bluetooth capable. These even have the ability to talk on the phone so that it has a built-in microphone and the audio is perfectly clear and I never have a problem with people hearing me with the microphone. I love them so much. I would purchase these time and time again. They have been my favorite headphones of all time. And I think they are 100% worth purchasing, and that is my point of view.